that's a nice house. Okay guys, today we are going to the Netherlands. It's very nice outside. It's like 25 degrees in Belgium. I wanted to do a little longer trip, so we are going to go to the Netherlands. And because we are going to the Netherlands, I will talk a little bit Dutch for you, so you can learn Dutch if you like. Today is very nice outside, so I bet we're going to see a lot of nice cars and a lot of nice bikes. Yeah, it will be fun, it will be fun. If I look at my smartphone, the trip will still be 125 kilometers, so it's a nice trip. Let's go. Today I'm trying the first time riding with a GPS route, and I'm using the app Osmand, I don't know how you pronounce it. I'll put the link in the description, but until now it's pretty nice. You can see the route how I am supposed to ride. It's following, so that's pretty nice. To be honest, I have no idea where I am. Ooh, nice bike. Ooh. Nice, that's nice. It's such nice weather outside. You can see it, all the people outside. It's really fun. Everybody enjoys some good weather, especially in Belgium because it has been raining a lot. To be honest, it was raining since October, so everybody enjoys some nice weather. Come on lady, don't use a whole road. God damn it. A pretty handy feature, but I think the most new bikes have it, is that the Lowrider S has a built-in USB port, so you can connect your cable so your phone doesn't die. That's pretty convenient. Horses. Beetje stil zijn voor de paarden. Beetje stil zijn, beetje stil zijn, beetje stil zijn. Beetje stil zijn. Leuke paardjes. Leuke paardjes. Oké, let's go. Mensen, altijd stil zijn voor paarden. Paarden weten niet wat jij gaat doen. Wij weten ook niet wat paarden gaan doen, maar wij weten niet wat paarden doen. Beetje respect hebben, ook bij honden. Mensen moeten respect hebben. Are you gonna give me some space? Are you gonna give me some space? No, no space. Dude. Some people are just deaf. I've never been on this side of Lommel. I'm a civil engineer, so I design and construct roads, and I have a lot of assignments, I will say, in Lommel. So I'm often here during the week, but I've never been in the fields like this, so this is pretty nice. Wat gaat je doen, tractor? Kijk, fietsers voor rechts.